amores. This is Beauty Creations' latest collection with Mattel, Barbie. Oh, look at this, my loves. Look at this house. Isn't this adorable? It reminds me of something that I had when I was a little girl. Now, let's open her up and...
Do you love all things beauty? Well, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look at this, my loves. Oh my goodness. We're gonna start off with eyes. And look at this, my loves. Look at this little bus. It says hello world. It is so adorable. Oh my goodness. I love a palette that tells a story and just makes you feel so happy when you look at it. And to start off with authentic, and let's put that on our eyelids. Now, this is the second time that we reviewed this brand, and I am so excited because last time, which if you guys have not seen, go check out my corpse bride review of Beauty Creations, which was so much fun to do, and I absolutely love the glitters. That was my favorite of everything. We're gonna create a little really pretty pink look. I'm excited to be reviewing this brand again because it is Latina owned, and that is something that I feel we just don't see a lot in the beauty world. I'm gonna go into Dream House. Oh my goodness, such a fun palette. And I'm just blending that in. I wanna do a really pretty pink look because it's so on brand, and we're gonna get brilliant because that is just, oh, the glitter. Let's try that on. Oh my goodness. And then I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Now, these colors are pretty light, but I feel that it's definitely not an eyeshadow palette that has a bunch of bright colors, but that is something that I always say is that whenever I get an eyeshadow palette, I like to be sustainable and make sure that I can wear it. And also get these single eyeshadow palettes. These are so pretty. We get this gorgeous blue-green and this pink. That is so neat. It actually opens up all the way. So that is so fun because you get the entire eyeshadow and then you just put the magnet back on. And I'm gonna put that on top. I'm gonna grab a Malibu Sunset, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the outer corners, just a tiny bit. Oh, that's really pretty. This actually reminds me of the palette of Corpse Bride, that really glittery, really pretty color that we really liked. This is my e.l.f. eyeliner that I absolutely love, and I'm just gonna go back and on our eyes. Now we're gonna move on to the blush. There's actually 3 different colors. I love the very first one that has this little lid. That is so pretty. It's very creamy. And then the one in the middle is more of a powder. And then we have the highlight on the bottom with little sunglasses, and that is so adorable. I'm gonna go in to the middle one with the Barbie, and then I'm applying this on my cheekbones. And then I'll put just a little tiny bit on my nose. I'm gonna grab the shimmery color. I'm gonna use that as highlight. Ooh, it's really glittery, my loves. Oh, that's so pretty. This is a little trick. I'll just put a little bit like that. It's a great way just to use some glitter to make your collarbone pop out. This is definitely a must. I mean, you're seeing these with so many different cheek palettes that are coming out, this trio. So it's really fun to see that they're doing the same things. And there's a little something for everybody here, right? If you want something that's more creamy, especially for the summer, you can use the one at the top. When you want that pop of pink, use the one in the middle. For highlight, which highlight you can do in so many ways. The tip of your nose, putting it on your cheekbones, your collarbones. I absolutely love that. Now moving on to lips, we get 3 different lippies. We get 2 lip oils and 1 hydrating jelly. What was so neat was we got this little keychain, and do you guys see this, my loves? Isn't this adorable? Oh my God, look at that. I love it because it is in the vintage style, and you guys know that here I love the vintage style. I actually have sunglasses just like this, and these is so adorable. And this is so fun because you attach this onto your keychain, and then this is on the go. So I love this. I mean, this really stands out. To do Unstoppable, this is the lip oil, and let's see how that looks. So it smells really good. It smells like watermelon to me, but it's strawberries. And that is so neat. I love products that are customized to your skin. That is so neat that it reacts with your skin. And look at that, my loves. Now we're moving on to Dreamer Lip Oil. It's a shimmering pink with a hot pink and silver shimmer. It reflects this dazzling look. And let's try this. Ooh. Oh my goodness, my love. Oh, the way that this one looks, my loves. Now, I always love to add a liner, but you can wear it single like this. And so far, both of these lip oils are really moisturizing. They smell amazing and they look really pretty. They remind me of the Estee Lauder times Lauder that I ended up reviewing, which if you guys have not seen, go check out after this video. Those lip oils also too were really shimmery and really pretty, and they were perfect for on the go if you're just running to the grocery store, or you're going to the gym, or you're just going to go get some coffee. It's a really pretty color on its own. Now, the one that goes into the keychain, this one is so cute. This is also too it is a jelly-like consistency. It reminds me of the milk that we've been seeing everywhere for the cheeks and the lips. So let's try this one out. Adapts to your unique tone with a custom hue. So that is so fun. Now let's try this. Ooh. Beauty Creations was coming out with a Barbie collection. I was so excited. I am a huge Barbie fanatic. I have collected Barbies my entire life since I was a little girl. So to see this was so exciting, and I love my lips to really stand out. So what I would probably do is I would go to Dreamer and I would just put that on top. And let's try that. Yeah. See, I always mix my lipsticks and my lip glosses. I never wear them by themselves. I always like to come out with my own color out. Now, this entire set is $95, but what I really like is that it ranges anywhere from $8 to the entire package. If you wanted to just grab something, if there is something that you guys really like, you can just grab one item individually. Now we're moving on to the setting powder. This is Future is Bright in the Pink Loose Setting Powder. It's lightweight and it's supposed to give you a very smooth, shine-free complexion. So let's try it. And oh, this is so adorable. I love the metallic pink. That setting powder applied really, really pretty. Moving on to the Gotta Glow. Oh my goodness, my loves. This is so pretty. This is the Gotta Glow Body Oil. It's a luminous sun-kissed glow to the skin, and look at that sparkle, my loves. Look at that, my loves. Look how glittery that is. It is so pretty. And then we also get this beautiful spray. This is the Malibu Way Hydrating Face Mist. It's a hydrating face mist that preps your skin actually for makeup. So I actually should have put this on beforehand. I think that this is something that you could use in the summer just to freshen things up. And let's try this. Ooh, okay, it smells like strawberries and watermelon. That is so pretty. Look at that, my love. This is a really good thing to have for the summer if you just want to hydrate your face. And this is the final look, my loves. What do you guys think? So this entire collection was so much fun to review. It is so beautiful and so fun. Now, what I wouldn't be getting is the palette. Now, even though it's absolutely adorable, I do feel that there was a lot of fallout. And as you can see, a lot of fallout came out when I was dipping my eyeshadow brush in there. So I probably wouldn't be getting this palette. The colors are really pretty and the highlighting ones are really nice, but I wouldn't be purchasing this one. Now, as far as the setting powder, it is really pretty. It's a really pretty pink, but I also wouldn't be purchasing this one either. It is just a setting powder that I feel that you can grab at the drugstore. It isn't anything special. Now, what I can say was really special were the glitters. I absolutely loved the single eyeshadow glitters. They both are so much fun and so pretty on the eyelids. I love the fact that there were 3 different ones to choose from, and this is perfect for the summer. This is something that I see myself throwing in my beach bag. I love the fact that I have the creamy one, which is really nice to just put on your fingers and put onto your cheeks. Then you have the powdery one if you're going for a more pink look. And then you have that highlight, which highlight is a must because highlight can be used in so many ways: on your cheekbones, on the tip of your nose, on your brow bone, on your collarbone. It just can be used in so many ways. So I do recommend this one. And as far as the lip oils, I absolutely loved. They were so pretty and look so pretty on the skin. I love these lip oils. And then these keychains, I mean, look at this, my lips. This is just absolutely adorable. Hydrating face mist. I wouldn't be purchasing this one either. I do feel that it is really pretty, but it's not a must. What I really do love was the body oil. The body oil was so pretty, and the oil with the pink shimmer just looks so beautiful. We cannot forget, this is absolutely adorable. I would be purchasing this one. Lip jelly that came in the inside. I do think that it's really pretty, and if you're just going for that color, it is really pretty and it looks really cute on the inside. If you guys enjoyed this Barbie review, go check out my vintage Barbie or my summer Barbie as well. I hope that you guys had an amazing time. I love you guys so much. Los amo. Mwah!